know, I'm beginning to think I learn as much from the questions and the letters you send me as I hope you do from the answers. One thing I've learned is that many of the questions are common to nearly all of us, like this one about sweaters. A homemaker wants to know if she can wash her fine woolen or cashmere sweaters in an automatic washer. Well, the answer is yes. The newer washers can handle nearly every sweater if we just remember a few simple procedures. One suggestion is that cardigans be buttoned. More important, pre-treat your sweater by rubbing any heavily soiled areas with light-duty liquid detergent or a pre-dissolved cold water soap. Then put the rest of your detergent into the water. Be sure to use enough water to permit free circulation of the garment. And be sure it's cold water, not only to prevent shrinking, but to avoid color loss too. Use gentle action to get slower agitation and spin speed. After about 10 minutes of soaking, let the washer go through the complete cycle, with wash time limited to no more than 3 minutes. The only sweaters I don't recommend washing are those of Australian wool or blends containing more than 40% bicara. The others will come out softer, fluffier, and cleaner than they would if done by hand. Another question that keeps turning up concerns blankets. And again, the answer is your washer can take care of them. But again, pre-treat any heavily soiled areas. After a 5 to 10 minute soak in cold water and detergent, turn the blanket over for another 5 to 10 minutes before letting the washer go through the complete cycle at gentle speed with a 2 to 4 minute wash time. There's no need to be confused by the variety of fabrics now available. For blends, just remember to follow the directions on the fiber that requires the most gentle treatment. When these instructions are sewn into the garment, it's easy. When they aren't, save your hang tags. Every garment should have one. They'll tell you, for example, what kind of bleaching the garment can take, and you'd be surprised at the kinds of dainty, lacy items that can take liquid bleaches without ill effects. Most homemakers feel liquid bleach is an efficient aid in getting a whiter, brighter wash, but it's so important to follow instructions. Look at what can happen when bleach is improperly used. This shirt is a total loss. Another factor to keep in mind is that modern detergents have built-in brighteners. But the trouble is, a bleach can quite easily cancel out those brighteners. Let's examine one of the ordinary wash day detergents under a special light. Drop a little liquid bleach on it, and its brightness is canceled out. The same thing happens in your wash tub if liquid bleach isn't used properly. For example, the timed bleach dispenser, developed by Maytag researchers, will do it for you automatically. So we can clearly see how it works. Here's a washer with the front panel removed and colored water substituted for bleach. First, for complete safety, notice how the bleach goes into a container away from the clothes. Next, it is automatically diluted to 1/4 its original strength while the washer is filling. When the washing action starts, the diluted bleach is drawn out of the container and then gradually fed into the wash tub. After about 4 minutes, the bleach has reached the desired concentration in the wash tub. Remember, bleach must be correctly diluted and must be added after detergent whiteners have done their work for full safety and whitening effect. No, bleach doesn't have to be a problem in the laundry. When you use it properly, it will give you the results you hoped for, an effective laundry aid. So there you are, with answers to some of the questions that apparently have occurred to most of us on wash day. The main answer is yes, our automatic laundry equipment can do a lot more than most of us think, if we'll only let it.